This is 7b76, line 22, 7b76, magic angle spinning P1 formula, UFO 5G Wow Seti. This particular formula has been divided into 3 videos, but there's actually a few more to go with it, okay? There's the alien radio signal. And let's just read this stuff over here. These are my little notes here. Magic angle spinning vortex laser beams diffraction photon energies UFO power engine formulas. To do, we're going to do a cross-reference of miniboone experiment with Janet Conrad's data from lines 1 to 27 when I'm finished doing all the data research. And I don't know when that'll be because it's taking me forever to get through line 22. I've been working on line 22 now for about a year. That's how much stuff is there. So this is a 3-part video series for formula data. So it'll be 7b76, magic angle spinning P1 formula UFO. And what I did, instead of changing the words, I just put P2, P3, okay? Just so you know, because it's all the same formula, but I had to divide it into 3 videos because it's just so long. And I didn't want my video upload time to be an hour like the last time. Yes, it took me an hour to upload the last few videos, an hour each, half an hour each. It was brutal. So it took me forever to load 3 videos. So now I'm trying to make them a little bit shorter if possible. And I also changed my recording from TV to email attachment, and that helps too. So June 16, 2013, today is July 7th. So solid state nuclear magnetic resonance to magic angle spinning MAS. So last video was 7b73, that's when we started working on this. It came from the isotopic interactions formula. This was one of the keywords that was in that formula, and of course it's expanded quite considerably. 7b75 was velocity, PSO, and RF swarms. We were talking about that earlier. Quotes, diagrams from Wiki. This is magic angle spinning. So this is what it looks like. Okay. The sample blue is rotating with high frequency inside the main magnetic field BO. The axis of rotation is tilted by the magic angle OM with respect to the direction of BO. Sorry. In nuclear, I got a froggy in my throat. In nuclear magnetic resonance, magic angle spinning mass. This always happens when I'm recording. My ice cube has shrunk to this little tiny ice cube. You don't want to choke on it. I have one little tiny ice cube left. I had 4 in there. I've only been recording for 15 minutes, and that's how fast the ice melted. We need to make ice that lasts longer. That would be nice, without chemicals. So magic angle spin, we'll look into that in the future, right? Is a technique often used to perform experiments in solid state NMR spectroscopy. By spinning the sample, usually at a frequency of 1 to 70 kilohertz at the magic angle 0M, CA dot 54.74 degrees, where cos to the power 2 and then the 0M equals 1/3, with respect to the direction of the magnetic field. The normally broad lines become narrower, increasing the resolution for better identification and analysis of the spectrum. Data and formulas have been divided into 3 videos due to the amount of formulas and things found in a gold mine here. It's a gold mine because it talks about the rotation of the ship. And there's a lot of stuff we can use. Sorry. Formula number 1 is the data. Ooh, this is long. Okay, so we have nuclear reaction. Just so you know, I'm going to try to post it in with the actual video, but it might not all fit. So I do blog these videos, but I'm way behind. I'm about 300 videos behind. So eventually it'll be up there with the formula in it on the blog post with the links to the data as well. Okay, so that's, if you want to find that stuff there, I should just let you know where it is. It's at alienspace-science-news.wordpress.com. This is the blog where I'm putting it on. And I have the line of data. And then I also add the links and stuff to the research that I found and the keywords and blah blah blah. Okay? So it's got all the formulas and stuff there, and I'm running out of time here. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm running out of time, I don't know if I'll get through this or not. Nuclear reaction, magnetic resonance, magic angle spinning, mass equals UFO rotating outer shell around the core engine of the spaceship, isotopic interactions, ions, velocity, vortex. BO symbol for zero calculations from alien messages in line 17 cross-reference. OM Euclid elements measurements algorithms. Archimedes 1/4 spin fermions, split fermions, plus baryons, leptons, neutrinos mixed with liquid argon gas. Add your tevatron rings and proton energies. Higgs boson signal particle separations from CERN 2012 data from June. Atlas CML Alice fluoroscopy. Crystal wafers, obsidian mirrors, microwires, nanowires, carbon-carbon nanotubes. Oh, sorry. I was supposed to say nanotubes. Why I forgot the word nano. See, I automatically said it. Vacuum, Higgs boson mass particles, plus 5 axial forces. Magic angle spinning, crystal lattice mesh, electron hole energy forces, blue visible lights, rotating high frequency, RF greater than 1428 megahertz, hydrogen line storage. Rings, vacuum tunnel frequency, electron, pencil ribbon, laser beams, and diffraction colliding, recycling fuel formulas in line 20 to 22 data in WOW cross-reference inside electric Higgs magnetic field. BO